Hi there. This video we are going to learn about non-static blocks in Java. So let's try to understand what is a non-static block. So a non-static block will be executed during the object creation, but it will be before the constructor call. So during the object creation, we have to make a call to constructor, but before the constructor call, the first call will be made for the non-static block followed by the constructor call. So the non-static block code will be executed first, followed by the constructor call. And what is the benefit of using the non-static block? This is to avoid duplicate code in the constructors. For example, you have defined a couple of overloaded constructors in your code, in the class. So all this code is duplicated in this overloaded constructor, right? So we can take out this duplicate code from each constructor, overloaded constructor, and we can keep that code in a non-static block. So what will happen in this case? So before we make a call to a constructor, the first call will be made to the non-static block. Okay, so this way we can avoid the duplicate code in constructor. That's the major advantage of using the non-static block. Okay, so next one. So we can also define multiple non-static blocks in class, but in that case the execution order will be the order in which they are defined from top to bottom. Let's try to understand the non-static block with the help of a program. So I have created a class, and under this class, the name of the class is demo class. So I have defined a couple of overloaded constructors, default with one parameter with two parameter. So if you observe in these three constructors, there is a duplicate code, which is nothing but initializing this a integer variable to 10. Okay, so this line is duplicated in all these overloaded constructors. So what we can do here is, let's remove all this duplicate code and define a non-static block. So this is a non-static block. We don't have any prefix, just the block. So in Java, this is the way how you will be representing a non-static block. Okay, so in this non-static block, I'm just initializing the a variable value to 10. So what will happen whenever you're calling this constructor, or whenever you're creating an object of this class through these constructors, the non-static block will be called first, followed by the constructor or the object creation. For example, I have defined a main method in my program. So here I'm creating an object of the class. So in this case, I'm calling the default constructor, no argument constructor, right? So in this case, what will happen? B integer variable value will be initialized to 20, but before that, this will be called, and a variable value will be initialized to 10. Let's see what's the output by running this program. Yeah, see here. So first we are printing the a variable value followed by p, right? And for example, now I want to call this constructor. I'm passing the value as 90, and now I want to print C value because we are initializing C variable value, right, through this constructor. So before this constructor call, the non-static block will be called first, and the output will be 10 and 90. Let's see that. Yeah, see here. So this is how we can make use of the non-static block, and also we can define multiple non-static block, and we can write our own logic here. So it is not only about initializing some variable value. You can define any logic that should be executed before the object creation. This is up to your business need. Okay, so that's all about the non-static block. We have covered all the three main points. Yeah, hope this helps, and we'll meet with a new topic in the next video. Thank you.